Today is Sunday, November 19th. After about 3 days of a lot of rain, I'm going to do a morning video. It's shortly after like 8:30 right now in the morning. And we're starting to get some sunlight on the garden. It's been like 3 days since we've had any bright sunlight. So I'm just going to show you what the garden looks like right now and what it's going to look like this afternoon. It's going to be all wilty. It's going to look really bad, but it's normal. Everything's looking really good right now. All the plants are still wet. I got to pull a lot of plants and replant and get things going, but it's going to look real bad later today, and I'll just have to stay away from it just because I'll have to touch it, and if I'm here, I'm going to. These beans are coming up. Keep having an animal walk in it. As soon as the plants get up, the animals stay out. But we'll come through and do another video in about 4 or 5 hours and show you what having excess sugar in the plants will do. I have one potato plant that's giving up the ghost. I don't know why. But if these do it, then that means they're ready. I know hydroponics fast, but that would be too much. So I don't know what's going on. We'll take it apart and find out. So I'll show you what the plants look like in a couple hours, and I'll probably be picking a bunch of stuff before then too. So it's almost 4 o'clock. The plants aren't wilting as bad as I thought they would, but they are. It's livable. So the rain didn't hurt much. I knocked over a couple plants. They'll be good to go. This will be trimmed up in a couple days, and just cut some more okra. We'll just have to see what produces from all the wet weather. They're self-pollinating, so probably not going to get much. This is wilted out pretty good. Expected a lot of it. The lettuce is doing better than I thought it would have. So it's time to start planting a bunch of that. My one bucket of potatoes doesn't look right. I know they're not done. It's just been a month since we planted them, so we're gonna have to see what happens on the other buckets, and we'll go by that. And I'm gonna be picking these beans. I think I'm gonna cut these beans out completely tomorrow. I'm not touching anything today, but we'll get them cleaned out, and I'll be able to plant lettuce in this one too. Carrots are doing good. I think we can see them now with this. I will have to thin them out. And then these snake beans. They're getting full. Gonna start harvesting some beans, try them out. See if I want to do the green beans or let them get big like this. Yeah, you can do them both ways, so I'm going to try it out and find out. This lettuce is doing real good. It's picked back up from yesterday. It's been laying down. Yeah. Hundreds of beans on this, quite impressive. But I'll be able to pick them both ways right now and see what I like. Still kicking out some blooms. Oh. This is a Chinese long bean. It's a plant I had growing. I stuck it in here. It's going to grow. We'll just let one plant grow up just for fun. Oh. We'll be doing this in a couple more days.